welcome. Today we're learning about digestion, and I have a couple things in front of me. You can't see them yet, but I'm going to show you and tell you what each thing stands for before we get started. Has anyone ever thought about what happens to your food after you chew and swallow it? Well, today we're going to learn. We have orange juice to represent the acid in your stomach. We have water, which represents the saliva in your mouth. We have this cup, which is labeled small intestine, which is what the stocking is for. Bowl is your body. We have a Ziploc, which would be your stomach, which is after your mouth and your throat goes to your stomach. This is our large intestine. And we have our food here, which is a banana and crackers today. Okay, first we're going to start with our stomach. We're going to put our food into our stomach. So after you put the food in your mouth and you chew it up and you swallow, it'll all go to your stomach. This is what this is. We're going to put our banana and our crackers all inside of our stomach. Then we're going to have our orange juice, which is the acid in your stomach, which helps break down food even more, and your saliva, which is one of the main things that helps break down food in the stomach. Alright, close this up. You're going to smash it until everything is combined and kind of like a putty. This is what your stomach does when it's trying to digest your food. Okay, so as you can see, it's starting to get kind of clumpy and put more together. Everything is smashed up in your stomach and starting to digest. And we have our small intestine, which is connected to, this is the intestine part, your stocking, and our body. Down here is our bowl. Take the corner of our bag of our stomachs and put that into your small intestine, because that's the next part of your body. Okay, so everything is into your small intestine. It'll work its way down. All of the liquids that are coming out of the small intestine is what our body pulls out of the food as it passes through this large intestine, through this small intestine, sorry. All of the nutrition and vitamins that it pulls from your food come out into the body, and the body absorbs it as it passes through the small intestine, which is what's coming through the stocking at this time, is your vitamins and your nutrition that the body is absorbing. This takes some time. you do want to get all of the nutrition out. Okay. And final squeeze. Okay, once you're left with just the food part that your body cannot ingest, the waste, I guess you can call it, that then moves to the large intestine, which is our cups here. Once the food comes out of the small intestine into the large intestine, this is the waste after all of the nutrition and vitamins have been soaked up by the body. Then go into your large intestine, which is then the rest of the waste is then pushed out through the rectum. This is our toilet here, this bowl. And that is poop, I guess you could call it, our waste. That the body cannot absorb and then gets rid of it out of the body. So, that's digestion. It has to do with science because the saliva from your mouth with the chewing action after you swallow it mixes with the acid from the stomach, which helps break it down into through the small intestine, which pulls out the nutrition and the vitamins needed for the body, pushes it to the large intestine, which then comes to the waste out into the toilet. That's it. Thank you.